Hey everyone, it's Rachel from Troutwood, and today, in honor of Financial Literacy Month, I wanted to walk everybody through all of the free resources that we have available over at our website at troutwood.com. So I'm going to walk you through our list of free products. It's over here in the left-hand corner, and you can see 5 out of the 6 of these are totally free to use. So everything except Troutwood Pro in this list. Troutwood Basic, this is our financial planning app. Just the simple version. This is 3 steps to build your personal financial plan. As I said, it's totally free to download and use, and it comes with a bunch of other tools that are available in there for free, like calculators, exploring colleges, exploring careers. We have tons of how-to videos on those. You can check those out too. And then we also have the Troutwood Map. So this is our interactive stock market map where you can explore different companies, different sectors, and do so in a geographical manner. So it's super visual, it's super fun. It's almost like exploring Zillow or Google Maps, except for finance. Then we also have Finmoji. So if you're in the mood to take a little quiz, this one's about finding your financial psychology, so your financial personality. So take a quick quiz, and then we tell you about your emotional and cognitive biases and how those might affect your day-to-day life, but also how you interact with money. And then we also have Finulator. This is our life skills financial game where you get to essentially simulate life, but in a fun, financy way. So you get to make different decisions and see how those would play out in the real world. What's the opportunity cost of those different decisions that you can make? And then last but not least is our investment game, buy, sell, hold. So this is a stock market simulation game where you get 3 choices, buy, sell, or hold from the stock market. And your objective is to beat Fin, who mimics the market. So you guys can download that and play it. It also has a quick boost quiz from NGPF as well. So make sure to check that one out. And then last but not least, we do have a list of calculators here for free under our resources tool. So you can do estimated future value, crisis calculator, fee impact calculator, and our most recent drop is this tax refund calculator. It's tax season. So anybody who's got a tax refund this year and didn't spend it yet, you can see what it would maybe potentially grow into if you were to invest some of that refund into the S&P 500. So that's everything I wanted to show you guys. As I said, everything that I mentioned was totally free to use, no sign up required, and have fun exploring. Happy Financial Literacy Month, and we hope you check us out.